Cats are known for their mysterious behavior, but did you know that their meows can actually tell us a lot about what they're thinking and feeling? Hi, cat lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of cat communication. By the end of this video, you'll understand the 8 different meows your cat makes and what each one means. We'll answer questions like, what are the types of meows? What do they signify? And how can you respond to make your cat feel heard and happy? Stick around, because this information could bring you and your cat closer than ever before. 1. The greeting meow. Ever noticed how your cat greets you with a short, cheerful meow when you come home? This friendly meow is their way of saying hello, and it's one of the sweetest sounds you can hear from your feline friend. The greeting meow is a sign that your cat is happy to see you and feels comfortable in your presence. It's their version of a warm welcome, and it means a lot more than just a simple sound. When your cat gives you this greeting, it's showing affection and contentment. I remember when I first got my cat, Whiskers. Every day when I came back from work, she would run to the door and give me that happy little meow. It was our special ritual, and it always made me feel appreciated and loved. This meow is a small gesture, but speaks volumes about your cat's trust and bond with you. If your cat greets you this way, it's a clear sign they enjoy your company and feel secure with you around. So next time your cat meows at you as you walk in the door, take a moment to appreciate this little expression of love. 2. The demanding meow. Have you ever heard your cat let out a long, drawn-out meow that just seems to keep going? This is known as the demanding meow, and it's your cat's way of saying they want something right now. Whether it's food, attention, or to be let outside, this meow is persistent and insistent. Cats are smart creatures, and they know how to get our attention. My cat, Whiskers, often uses this meow early in the morning when she wants her breakfast. It's almost like she's saying, "Hey human, I'm hungry, don't you hear me?" This demanding meow can sometimes be a bit annoying, especially if you're busy or trying to sleep. But it's important to recognize that your cat is trying to communicate their needs. Responding to this meow can help strengthen your bond with your pet, because it shows you understand and care about their desires. Interestingly, studies have shown that cats learn which types of meows are most effective at getting their owners to respond. So, if your cat is particularly vocal, it's likely because they figured out that this behavior gets results. Remember, a demanding meow is just your cat's way of expressing themselves and making sure their needs are met. Section 3. The lonely meow. What if your cat's meow sounds more repetitive and plaintive? This is often a lonely meow, signaling that your cat is feeling isolated or bored. Cats, despite their independent nature, do crave social interaction and mental stimulation. When Whiskers was a kitten, she used to meow endlessly whenever I left her alone for too long. This meow can be quite insistent, almost like a cry for companionship. If you hear this type of meow, it's a clear sign that your cat needs more of your time and attention. To help ease your cat's loneliness, try to spend more quality time with them. Engage in interactive play sessions or simply sit with them and offer some petting and affection. Providing stimulating toys and even considering getting another pet for company can also be beneficial. It's essential to recognize and respond to the lonely meow because it indicates your cat's emotional needs. Ignoring this meow can lead to behavioral issues and stress for your feline friend. By acknowledging their loneliness and providing the interaction they crave, you can ensure your cat remains happy and healthy. Section 4. The distressed meow. Have you ever heard your cat let out a loud, troubled-sounding meow? This is the distressed meow, and it's a clear signal that something is wrong. Your cat might be in pain, feeling scared, or experiencing discomfort. It's crucial to pay close attention to this type of meow because it's a call for help. I remember one evening, Whiskers started yowling loudly, and I quickly realized she had a minor injury on her paw. A quick visit to the vet helped soothe her, and she was back to her usual self in no time. When you hear a distressed meow, immediately check on your cat. Look for any signs of injury, illness, or sources of fear. It might be something as simple as a door they can't open or a new piece of furniture they find intimidating. Addressing the issue promptly can prevent further stress and potential health problems. This meow is your cat's way of urgently communicating their discomfort, and responding to it shows you care about their well-being. Remember, a quick response to the distressed meow can make a big difference in your cat's comfort and happiness. Section 5. The Help Me Meow. Sometimes, your cat's meow is a direct call for assistance, known as the Help Me Meow. This high-pitched, urgent sound often occurs when your cat is in a situation where they need help, such as being stuck in a tight spot or unable to reach something. This meow is their way of alerting you to their predicament. One time, Whiskers got herself trapped behind a piece of furniture and started meowing frantically. Her urgent cries led me to her, and I was able to free her quickly. When you hear the Help Me Meow, it's important to locate your cat and assess the situation. Look for any hazards or obstacles that might have caused them distress. Ensuring your home is safe and free from potential traps is crucial in preventing these situations. This meow highlights your cat's dependence on you for safety and support, reinforcing the bond between you. By responding swiftly to their calls for help, you show your cat that you're there for them, strengthening your relationship and building trust. Always keep an ear out for the Help Me Meow, as it's a clear indicator that your feline friend needs your immediate attention. Section 6. The Territorial Meow. Have you ever heard your cat meow repeatedly at the door or window? This is the Territorial Meow, a behavior cats use to assert their presence and claim their space. Cats are naturally territorial animals, and they often use this meow to communicate that a particular area is theirs, especially if they see another animal outside. My cat, Whiskers, often meows at the window when she spots a neighborhood cat wandering through our yard. It's her way of saying, "This is my territory, stay away." Understanding the territorial meow can help you better manage your cat's environment. Ensure they have a safe space where they feel secure, and if possible, block the view of any areas where outside animals frequently appear. This can help reduce your cat's stress and the frequency of territorial meowing. Additionally, providing your cat with plenty of interactive play and attention can help them feel more secure in their domain. Recognizing and addressing the territorial meow is crucial for maintaining your cat's sense of security and reducing any anxiety related to perceived threats. Section 7. The Hunting Meow. Ever heard your cat meow while bringing you a gift? This is the Hunting Meow, a proud and often excited sound cats make when they catch prey or toys. It's a behavior rooted in their wild ancestry, where presenting a successful hunt was a significant accomplishment. Whiskers once brought me a toy mouse with a triumphant meow, clearly pleased with her catch. This meow is their way of sharing their success with you, almost like saying, "Look what I caught for us." The Hunting Meow is a fascinating glimpse into your cat's instincts and behavior. While it can be unsettling if your cat brings in real prey, it's important to recognize this as a natural part of their behavior. To manage this, ensure your cat has plenty of toys and opportunities for play that allow them to express their hunting instincts safely indoors. Engaging in regular play sessions can satisfy their need to hunt and reduce the likelihood of them bringing in unwanted gifts. Understanding the Hunting Meow helps you appreciate your cat's natural instincts and provides a chance to bond over their playful and proud nature. Section 8. The Excited Meow. What if your cat meows with a tone of excitement? This high-pitched short meow is usually heard when your cat is anticipating something they enjoy, like mealtime, playtime, or your return home. It's a sound filled with enthusiasm and eagerness, letting you know that your cat is looking forward to something. Whenever I prepare Whiskers' favorite meal, she starts meowing excitedly, running around in circles. It's her way of showing just how thrilled she is about the upcoming treat. The excited meow is a positive sign that your cat is happy and looking forward to a pleasant experience. To keep this excitement going, try to maintain a consistent routine that your cat can look forward to. Regular feeding times, play sessions, and even just spending quality time together can trigger this joyful meow. It's a wonderful indicator of your cat's well-being and contentment. Next time you hear your cat's excited meow, take it as a compliment. It means you're doing something right and your cat is happy to share their enthusiasm with you. Engaging with your cat during these moments of excitement can strengthen your bond and ensure they remain a happy and healthy companion. Understanding your cat's meows can transform your relationship with them, making communication more meaningful and your bond stronger. By recognizing and responding to the different meows, whether it's a friendly greeting, a demanding request, or a call for help, you show your cat that you care and understand them. Remember, each meow is a unique expression of your cat's needs and emotions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with other cat lovers, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the fascinating world of cats. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.